Hello everyone, start off by spraying some hairspray onto the hair and then comb it. Then taking a section from the front of the hair, begin to braid it as such. Include more and more sections into the hair as you continue to braid it. Now as you progress with the braid, this is what it should look like. Make a zigzag marking at the back of the hair and tie a ponytail to it. Next, add some hairspray to the hair, comb the hair in place, separate the front of the hair as such. Then take a section of the hair and begin to twist it one on top of the other. Include more and more sections of the hair into this twist as you progress. Now take a section from the back and include it in a braid as such. Then continue to braid it until you reach the bottom and then roll the hair upwards as such, tie a rubber band to it. Next, add some hairspray to the hair, comb the hair into place. Then, take a section from the front and then begin to braid it. As you progress with this braid, once you reach the middle, include another section into it from either side of it. Then, continue to normally braid it once more and let it go till the bottom. Take a section off the front and then make a braid out of the section. Include more and more sections of the hair into this braid, only from the section that you have kept out. Then, make this on either side. At the back, take two sections of the hair from the top, join them all together. Next, take a section of the top of the hair, add a rubber band in the middle, and then lift it up and make it into this heart shape, braid the rest of the hair and roll it up. Take a section from the front of the hair, begin to braid this section, and as you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Once you reach the bottom, begin to normally braid it. Do this on either side. Next, make a braid in the middle of the hair at the back, tie a bow to it. Next, divide the hair into 4 sections as such, and then in the top, make 2 sections on either side of the hair. Crisscross it and join it in a ponytail at the back. Next, take a little portion of the hair, roll it in on itself from the front. Tie it in a ponytail at the braid at the back and roll this braid upwards. Then add pins to keep it in place. Take a section of the hair from the front and then begin to braid it. However, when you move in to twist the third part of it, roll it around the entire braid. Do this for all of the sections. Once more, put the left side as normal, put the central portion as normal, and when it comes to the right side third section, wrap it around the entire braid. Tie a ponytail once you reach the bottom, add multiple rubber bands and puff it out. Thank you for watching.